Paiute Deadfall can be created a couple different ways, but there's a couple core pieces to it. You have your upper support, you have your lever bar, you have your piece of cordage, your toggle, and a bait stick. Now how this works is you're going to take a rock that's pretty heavy, targeting chipmunks, squirrels, rats, anything like that. You're going to put your upper bar down. You're going to raise it, put your lever bar up underneath it, wrap your toggle around your little Y stake there. I'm going to take my trigger bar and I'm going to press it up against my toggle in any little rough spot in the back of the actual system. I'm going to put bait right along the backside. And what I mean by backside, I'm going to pin the bait to the very back end of my trigger up against that rock, so when any little critter comes in there, a rat or whatever, and just gently pulls down on this, the rock comes down through the release of the trigger bar. My Paiute main pieces, my little upper support, my lever bar, my cordage, and my toggle all come out, and then I can retrieve said name yummy treat a few minutes later. So yeah, Paiute Deadfall, it's pretty standard. You can modify this. You can use a Y fork. If you don't have a Y fork, you can have a simple little wedge at the top. And that wedge at the top will allow you to seat it into a groove on your actual support bar. And it will sit just like this, the same way, just minus the Y. Real simple like methods as far as, you know, trapping and whatnot. So you gotta bring that toggle down a little bit.
Like down.
So,
down
so your hand is on the lever. So keep cranking down, push down. There you go. Yep. Yep. First try, McY. Hold on, let me get a video.
And do it from the other side.
Don't tell me what to do.
What's that?
Him.
Don't tell me what to do.
I'm telling him what to do.
I'm just joking.
Jesus.
You'll see why. So you got a little stopper toggle back here that prevents the cordage from sliding all the way forward. And you got your roller, which rolls continuously. And you're just making this as a very unstable point. So you put all your bait along this cordage. And when anything pulls on it or hits it, tighten her up. You gotta keep it tight. Otherwise, she ain't gonna roll. Back toggle. A little balancing act. That's it. Pebble Deadfall, I like using a little pebble because it's super round and it's so unstable that this requires it to really kick out that way or this way. On the pebble it can roll 360 degrees. So Pebble Deadfall, but if you don't have it, you get a little roller bar.